Good morning students. Here we are going to discuss Rutherford's experiment, Rutherford model and drawback of Rutherford model. But before seeing this experiment or model, we will discuss about few important property, that is particle and wave. When we talk about physics, object only can be of two types. Either they are particle or they are waves. We are particle, a dust particle can be there, atom is also a particle. What is the property of the particles? Particles are those who occupy space. The space occupied by the particle cannot be occupied by any other particle or wave. Second important property of the particle is particles have definite mass. Our mass is definite, electron's mass is definite, every particle have a definite mass. The third property, particle, if it is moving, it will continuously loses energy. Whenever we talk about waves, who are the waves? If we are talking, sound waves can be there, light waves can be there, you are using mobile, radiations coming, they are in the form of electromagnetic waves. So waves, they can be of two types, longitudinal and transverse. Sunlight longitudinal है, sound wave longitudinal. But when you throw a stone in a pond or in water, you will find the waves are produced, that is transverse waves. Waves have different properties. Normally, waves cannot occupy the space. If the waves are traveling, that space can be used by other wave or by the particles. Waves can be intersect to one another, particles cannot. Wave will not have any definite mass, whereas waves never loses energy. They move with the same speed, velocity and energy. So, you can write the difference between particle and wave. Why we are using here particle and wave? That you can know better. Now, Rutherford's experiment. Rutherford experiment, he used lead chamber cavity for the production of alpha particles. And these alpha particles, when it is bombarded on the gold foil, then what happened? This gold foil, when the alpha particles are bombarded, he found that many alpha particles, there are about 90% particles move through the atom or through the gold foil. Whereas very few means out of 20,000, 1 or 2 waves or alpha particles they come back, whereas few particles were deflected with the small angle or sometimes by the large angle and then they disappear. So by that he made the gist and he gave the atomic model. And according to this model, atom is hollow or most of part of the atom is empty, and due to that what will be happen? Near about 90% waves or alpha particle moves from the atom. Very few deflected because what happened? Nucleus, which is consist by proton, which is concentrated in the very small area and having radius 10 to the power minus 15 centimeter, whereas a complete atom have radius 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter, whereas very few waves are or alpha particles deflected from the path because they come in the contact of electron, because electrons are continuously moving, therefore this alpha particles deviate sometime from the small angle and sometime from the large angle. This model is known as planetary model. Why? Because it has the property just like the planetary system of the solar system. Nucleus is sun, whereas electrons moving around the nucleus and they will be attracted by the electrostatic force. These electrons are distributed into the different energy levels, and these energy levels are also known as orbit, just like various planets have different orbits. Later on, we will discuss what is the drawback of the atom as well as it will be make the base of the Bohr atomic model. So in the next video, we will see the drawback of Bohr model as well as the base of the Bohr's model. Thank you. Have a nice day. बाद में लिख देना।